In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply false eyelashes by the brand Lashify. I'm super excited to make this tutorial, so let's get started and let me show you the best way to easily apply your fake lashes. As much as I love makeup, there is one thing that I absolutely despise, and that is washing off mascara. It takes so long and I feel like it's a disaster, and I'm always spending time cleaning up after I wash my face. So when I discovered fake lashes and false lashes and how easy they are to put on and then just take off, it was like a game changer. So if you have not gone into the world of trying to apply fake lashes or false lashes, and they don't always have to look extreme, like they can be very natural looking, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But I was really excited to find this brand in particular because these are unique, where they don't go on top of your lid, they actually go underneath your lash line. So in this kit, it comes with like all these instructions. There's so much in this kit that I have. And this is actually called the control kit. But what's cool about this is it has this little QR code, so it shows you how to actually apply this. So before anything, I want to actually watch this demo and make sure that I'm showing you how to do it the right way. I mean, look how adorable she is, first of all, but look how detailed this tutorial is. I don't even need to make this video. I'm gonna put these little rubber wandums here on my wand. And I'm going to hold these right here on this little divot. And that is how I'm going to fuse my lashes on. I have two lengths. I have C10 and C12. So the C is the style and then the number is the length. So today I'm going to go with, this one, C10. So let's go ahead and open this one. And then this is going to be the beautiful case that I will store them in. And then you can see this is where I pulled these out as well. So beautiful case for storage. Gorgeous kit. It also names everything in the kit here. So it's just very easy and simple. Such a great user experience. I just realized that the box I took it out of actually has larger storage. So if I want to build a collection, look how beautiful this larger box is. Even the package that the case came in, I can reuse, and I absolutely love that. I think that's so thoughtful. So this is what the lashes look like when they come out of that little case, and you can see there's this little black plastic piece that just comes off. There are all these other little devices and extras that come in the kit. So some extra wands here, some melt away, so this removes the product, and then there's also this measuring tool in here that allows you to measure your eye if you want to kind of compare all the other sizes and styles. That's what you would use. First step is taking this little wand that has the bond, and you are going to do a very light coat and wiggle on all your lashes. Avoiding any clumps. Let that dry for 10 seconds. I'm going to take the first set. It just pulls right out. I'll start placement in the center, 2 centimeters away, so I'm not touching my lash line. And I'm just going to fuse those with my lashes. This glue is flexible, so if you get it on there and you don't like the placement, you can remove it and replace. And then you just want to line up the spine of each of these with each other. Okay, so I have one side on, and this was the first time that I have applied these lashes, so I feel like, you know, this is my first go and it looks this good. You can see that I kind of messed up with like a little section right here where they kind of clump together, but that's my fault because I put too much glue kind of right here. But I was actually practicing and layering, and I don't even think it looks that bad. But these are 100% silk, very lightweight. I cannot even feel that I have these on. Like, mascara is heavier than these. If you just want volume and you don't want to deal with mascara, this is definitely the link. Let me go ahead and do the other side. Also, the ingredients for this bond is super natural. It's so much better than what you're going to get at the drugstore for lash glue. So that's another reason why these lashes are really great. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Did you see how fast I did that second one? And it even looks better. So that's like my second try. Obviously, like first try, second try. I can't believe it. That was so easy. I'm a pro. Let me get really close for you so you can see. Obviously, I can even work on the placement so that they're perfect and even. But this was my first go, and this is how great they look. How easy. I cannot feel them at all. At all. I don't feel anything. They don't have any smell. They are just so pretty. Oh my goodness. Love it, love it, love it. Fantastic product. Now, if I wanted to make these waterproof, or if I was going out into like the climate where it's humid and I want to make sure that they're not flying away, it does come with a waterproof sealant. So this is something that you can go over when you're finished. And look how cool the little tip is. And you would just apply this over in all the areas, and then that would keep them in place and waterproof. And there you have it. This is the final look using the C10. This is the natural look. So if I wanted more length and to do something a little bit more glamorous, I would go in with the C12 that I have here, which is just a little bit longer. And even if I wanted to layer that, I could throw on a tail on the end. But this is just such a beautiful everyday look. I'm obsessed. I'm also obsessed with the fact that it's just such an organized, beautiful kit. I love this. This is going to be a great addition to my makeup sets. And this little guide does come off, and this is an actual mirror behind here, but I personally like that I have all of the names. And even here on the very bottom, you can see that it has instructions for every step of the way. So in addition to that cute little business card that has the QR, which I'm going to save in my kit, such a great instructional step-by-step. It goes over everything and the importance of every step so that you don't skip anything. But overall, super happy with this product. I think this is a great lash company, and I'm super happy with how they look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do have any questions about this product, false lashes, fake lashes, anything of the sorts, just leave a comment below. I'm always here and happy to help. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.